Hey guys! For today's video, umati ka pang lip swatch tayo and wear test. Kailangan natin i-wear test ang lippy na to, you guys, because I'm talking about yung EB Matte Color Lock lipstick. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's matte. And then sa ilalim, yung shade name. And when you open it, natutwist siya dito. You put it up and back down. Very simple, nothing too complicated. Pag binili niya siya, it comes with a box like this. It retails for 20-95 pesos. At ang promise dye, it's zero transfer, it's smudge proof, pero not drying on the lips kasi meron siyang hyaluronic acid at saka vitamin E. Now, before we go sa lip swatch, syempre ni-wear test ko siya, no? Tinignan ko na kung talagang zero transfer and smudge proof at kung gaano ka-long lasting. So, let's head over muna sa wear test. Okay, so ang verdict, you guys, is it is transfer proof and smudge proof given na kapag nilagay mo siya sa lips mo, wala kang lip balm or whatsoever na pinatong. Kasi pag meron kang lip balm na nilagay, makaka-apekto siya sa performance ng pagiging transfer proof. So, make sure na pwede kang maglagay, pero you wipe it off and you let your lips dry a little bit bago mo i-apply yung lipstick. So, it is transfer proof and smudge proof to some extent. Gaya ng lahat ng lipstick or liquid lipstick, they are powerful, they are long-lasting hanggat wala kang ginagawa sa lips mo. Yung pag-inom-inom ng tubig, pag-inom-inom ng kape, ganyan, you're good with this. Hindi siya magsasmudge, it's gonna stay on your lips and it's not gonna fade. Pero syempre pag kumain ka, depende ko anong kakainin mo. If it's oily, alam nyo naman, oil ang kalaban ng lahat ng cosmetic products. If it's oily, asahan mo na matatanggal, lalo na yung inner corners. At yung mga pagkain na dekagat, asahan mo matatanggal at matatanggal siya. Pero hindi naman siya yung tipong isang kainan mo lang, boom, fade out. It's gone. Hindi siya ganon. In fairness, I actually can't help but compare it sa Detail Cosmetics Power Lip. Meron din akong wear test nito. Be sure to check it out. I'm gonna link it down below. Parehas kasi sila ng promise. They're both lipsticks, but they both claim na transfer proof sila, smudge proof, and really long lasting. To be completely honest, I find the EB Matte more effective than the Detail Cosmetics. Plus, this is just 295 and this is 400 pesos. So I like this better when it comes to performance, plus mas mura pa siya. Pero this one kasi is mas mukhang social. It feels heavier than this one. And alam mo yun, pag inopen mo, mukhang, you know, shala-shala. Pero price-wise and performance-wise, I think mas panalo tong EB Matte compared sa Detail Cosmetics. Let me just take off the lip balm and then we're gonna go ahead with the lip swatch. So I have 8 out of the 12 shades. Nagpadala sa akin yung Everbalena but they did not send all the shades. So bumili pa ako ng dalawa ata. I did not get all of the shades kasi looking at the photos, it's quite hard because they kind of look very similar with each other sa photos ha. Pero, tignan natin ngayon in person. So, I have 2 peachy shades, I have 4 pinks, and I have 2 distinct shades na walang kapamilya. So, the first shade is called Intimate. This is what it looks like. This is Intimate swatch at the back of my hand. By the way, guys, ang formula pala niya is it glides on sa lips. It's creamy but not too creamy to the point na parang siyang satin lipstick. Mararamdaman mo like probably 3 or 5% tug, but it's still comfortable to apply. By the way, guys, you have to wait a good 2 to 5 minutes to let the lipstick set on your lips bago ka may gawing kung ano. And this is Intimate on my lips, and it's actually a muted. When I say muted, hindi siya like bright. It's actually a muted peachy color na merong brown undertone. That's why it's kind of a muted. Perfect for everyday wear, and I think this could complement a lot of skin tones and undertones. So yeah, this is Intimate. Next shade that we have is called Iconic. And here it is, side by side kay Intimate. By the way, guys, bago nyo gamitin yung lippy nito, make sure na nag-exfoliate kayo ng lips because it might cling to your dry patches. So this is Iconic on my lips, and obviously, guys, kitang-kita niyo yung difference niya sa Intimate. Iconic is way deeper, but it's still on the muted side for me. Hindi siya traffic cone-ish. Pero ito yung mga tipo ng shades na masarap suotin kapag ka-summer. Parang hindi pantay yung paglagay ko dito. Nababother ako. And if you know me, I'm not really a fan of peachy lip colors, but this one, eto papasa sa akin to. Kasi hindi ako parang nangangalawang sa kanya, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is Iconic. Alright guys, so now let's go to the pinks, and the first shade that I have is called Bear. So this is what Bear looks like compared to the first 2 shades. Sorry kung hindi na masyadong patay yung paglalagay ko dahil tayo abutin tayo ng sham-sham. Alright guys, so this is Bare and it's like a powder baby pink shade. Medyo patawid na siya sa bright side, so I feel like there are some skin tones or undertones na parang magmumukha tong traffic cone bright-ish. So pag-isipan yung maigi if you're the type na medyo not comfortable with wearing, you know, bright pink colors. Patawid pa lang siya ng bright. Hindi naman siya like yung Nicki Minaj pink, if you know what I mean. So yeah, this is Bare. Next shade is called Statement. This is what it looks like. So yung nasa taas is Bare at yung nasa baba is Statement. Alright guys, so this is Bare on my lips and it's like a nude pink pero muted, meaning hindi siya like bright pink and it's warm tone and I feel like ito ang mas makakapag-complement sa mas maraming skin tones. So yeah, this is Statement. Next shade that we have is called Obsessed. This is what it looks like. This is Obsessed side by side with first 4 shades. Sorry guys, hindi pantay. Get in it. Alright guys, so this is Obsessed and obviously it's a deep pink magenta shade. Yeah, hindi pa naman siya pa red. It still has a pink essence in it, pero like, you know, very deep pink na parang may magenta undertone, a little bit of violet, mga ganyan-ganyan. And this one is nice to wear any time of the day naman, pero more on a nighttime wear. Lalo na dito sa Pinas, kapag ka mag-ginity, tapos dark yung lips mo, ay parang lalo mas mainit. So I do suggest you wear this on a night out or, you know, basta gabi. But I do love it. And of course, I'm gonna wear it any time of the day. But yeah, this is Obsessed. Last shade that I have is the pinks. It's called Exposed. Sa unang tingin, akala mo magkamukha sila ni Obsessed. But the thing is, si Obsessed ay, when I applied it on my lips, lumalabas yung magenta and violet undertones, like pink magenta. Pero etong si Exposed, this is like pink brown. Pink brown, like 60% brown, 40% pink. Yun yung mga colors na lumilitaw or umaangat with my skin tones. Some skin tones, ang lalabas siguro is like red-brown. But for me, I can still see the pink. So you might want to take note of that, lalo kapag pumipili ka ng mga shades ng lipstick. Kasi kahit i-lipswatch ko to sa inyo guys, magkakaiba tayo ng skin tone and undertone. Yun ang Exposed. Now let's go to the last 2 shades na medyo distinct because wala sila kasama sa collection ko. Unahin natin this one. This is called Intense. This one nagamit ko na yesterday. So this one is Intense at eto talaga ang brown. Alright guys, so this is Intense on my lips and it is intense. It's a deep brown shade with red undertone. Ito na yung parang brown red. Pero mas angat pa rin yung pagka-brown niya. It's like 80% brown, 20% red, something like that. For me, this is already a deep shade, but I'm pretty sure this is going to complement a lot of skin tones and a lot of undertones. Warm tone pa rin to actually. So yeah, this is Intense. And last but definitely not the least, we have a red shade, of course. At ito yung ginamit ko sa wear test, and this is called Editorial. Well, this is the type of shade that definitely gagamitan mo ng lip liner in action kasi, well, most of the lipsticks naman, nag-feather out or nag-bleed out kapag yung nasa edges na. So, you need lip liners para, you know, solid line yung makita mo. Because there are some lipsticks, mostly talaga lipsticks, yung parang kita mo na ganun. Kaya I'm not so much of a lipstick girl. I'm more into liquid lipstick kasi mas less feathering or fading out sa edges. But anyway, this is Editorial and I'm not gonna say na it's a blue toned red. I feel like it's still neutral. You know why? Iba kasi kapag ka blue toned red. And yung unang apply ko sa kanya, akala ko blue toned red siya. But it's not. Siya yung red na meron pa ring orange undertone. So it's nice, but it's not my favorite kind of red because I'm not sure if neutral or warm tone, but definitely not cool tone. This is Editorial. Alright guys, so shade recap muna tayo. Okay, so favorite shades. When it comes to the orangey one, I'd go for this one. When it comes to the pinks, I'd go for this one and this one. And perhaps this one na rin. Hindi ko masyadong favorite ito. Because baby pinks are not my favorite. Again guys, hindi pa ito yung complete swatch. I think I'm missing 4 more shades. So better check out Every Belena's, Lazada, and Shopee, and of course sa mga makeup department stores. Alright guys, so that concludes our lip swatch, and I do recommend itry nyo tong EB Matte Color Lock lipstick. They're fairly affordable, just 300 pesos. 295. 300. Dapat ganon. Kapag tinitingnan nyo yung presyo, huwag nyo tingnan yung presyo. I-round off nyo. That will definitely help you in your decision making when it comes to purchasing things. Especially sa mga bagay na hindi ba naman talaga kailangan at pawang pangpasaya lang. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!